That's a good pike. You're gonna eat it. There's two of them right here. Welcome back to another episode. Finally filming in Canada again. We got a reprieve on the lockdown, and I'm out on Lake Ontario today. I actually launched out of Pickering right over there, and I've just run across to Toronto here, and I'm going to try and go for some pike. It's been a pretty frustrating road, I gotta say, for everybody, not just me obviously, but not being able to get your boat out in the spring, and then finally being able to do so. I'm feeling pretty good today, feeling pretty pumped, and hopefully gonna get into some pike. Stay tuned. There's one. Nice, good size too. Right on the paws there. I was twitching that bait. I'm just working this thing so slow. The water's like, what is it now? It's like 46 degrees in here, and very, very slow twitch pause retrieve. And paid off. Come on, buddy. Always getting wrapped up in my line here. I've only got 15-pound line on here. I do have a leader on, of course, on the lure, but getting wrapped up in that pretty good. Come here, buddy. Grab him here without getting a hook in it. Whoa, there's a hook right there. I'm gonna grab him behind the head. Oh yeah, that's a nice female. Fatty. Oh, fatty. There you go. Snag there, buddy. Good stuff. Okay, I'm gonna try and get him under the gills now so I can get that other one out that's buttoning her mouth closed. She might still be carrying eggs, this one. Could be a late spawn. It's been a really cold spring, so I would think they would be spawned by now, though. I don't think she's been eating, but there you go. Nice little Lake Ontario pike. Look at that belly, though. Fatty. Had a lamprey on it. It's probably been out in the main lake. Picked up a lamprey. Let's get it back. Thanks, bud. Got a number on my titanium leader here. There you go. That's still good though. I tie these up myself and put them right onto the split ring here. And about 12 inches, 10-12 inches. That's all you need. And a little loop here just gives it enough for that nice Husky Jerk action. There it is. Good old 14 Husky Jerk. H14 and a perch. I just switched the hook up here at the back to give it a little more action when it's twitching, but this fish hit when this bait wasn't even moving, just right on the paws. Probably one of the most effective cold water lures you can use for pike. Amazing bait. Been using these for years, ever since they came out with this lure. It's a pike killer. These fish are not going to chase down, well, not very likely to chase down a fast moving bait. It's got to be really slow, kind of finesse presentation. These fish are still very much in sort of winter mode. That's why dead bait works so well through the ice for these things. They'll come up and sit and look at it for 20-30 minutes sometimes before they actually inhale it. Pretty much same principle with the Husky Jerk here. Cast it out. I'll give it a couple of turns just to get it down. Probably running at about 4 or 5 feet, 6 feet max. And I'll give it a couple of sharp twitches, let it sit, take up the slack, twitch, twitch, and just repeat. And like I said, you can let that bait sit there for 5, even maybe 10 seconds. They'll hit it. There's one on it right there. He's following it. They're just so lethargic, these fish. You might get to see him on the camera. I do have a polarized lens on there. He's right behind it right now. And it's a big fish too. Jesus. Come on, buddy, eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Just waiting for him to flare his gills up. Look at him. He's a good fish down there. Right down there. Oh, man. It's a good sized fish. Heading that way now. See if I can entice him. Oh, there's a big one on it now. Big one right behind it. He's on it. He's on it. Can you see him down there, guys? Look at that size of that fish. That's a good pike. Is he gonna eat it? There's 2 of them right here. There's a big one right there. And one right behind it, another one. Oh my God. They got scarring wounds on them. Jeez. Okay, I'm gonna try something else here. Maybe try speeding it up a little bit here. See if that works. His nose was touching. His nose was touching this back hook here. Wow. What do we got here? Okay, tied on a little swim bait here with a 1-ounce head and a stinger hook on it. It's actually an X-Zone plastic, courtesy of my buddy Blake Ranky. Thanks, buddy. Worked well last year. Let's see how it does this year. Another one right down there. See him? I don't know if you guys can see that. I do have, like I said, I do have a oh, he's going after it. No, he swam away from it. Got me a shad scent or something in here just to give it a little. Such a slow presentation. There we go. Found some sheds in there. See if that helps. There's one. Swing bait paid off. Not a big fish, but it's a fish. I'll take it. It wasn't as big as those ones that kept following it. That's why we have the leader, guys. Look at that. That leader is right through his teeth. And these are titanium leaders that I make myself. Let me get him out of here. Probably hand him in. Yeah, he's just a little guy. Little hammer handle. Oh, I don't even know if I need the pliers. There we go. Alright. Little guy. There he goes. Boom. Two so far.
Nice. You haven't been up there long?
No, not long, no. I've seen a lot more than I've hooked, I'll tell you that.
Did you see the big one?
There's a couple of nice ones in through here.
Yeah, I saw one in here too. 4 feet long.
Yeah, there's some big pike in here.
Yeah, cool. Have fun, man.
Yeah, you too, man. There he is, right by the boat. I don't know if you saw that. Wow, that was cool. Right next to the boat. He followed that up and just decided to eat it. Cool. Very cool. Alright, buddy. Get him in here. Oh, one hook again. Hopefully I can... there we go. Behind the head. Pop that hook was barely in there. There we go. Nice little, another one. Look at that, guys. Pretty little fish. There's one following, little guy following it. If you can see him down there, right there. Oh, right by the boat again. I didn't even see him come out of the weeds there. Another little one. Hey, first day fishing in the boat this year, and it's May, what is it now, May 17th, so I have no complaints. Still plenty of time to get a big one yet. Oh, he inhaled that. Oh, we're gonna need to do a little surgery on you, my friend. Alright, see if we can get this one out first. Okay, and then we're gonna get that one way down there. Out. Right there. Perfect. Good work. Little guy. See ya, bud. Little guy. Just a little guy. Come on, buddy. I'm after your wife. Your big wife. There we go. Oh, he's bleeding a bit. I'm gonna get him right back. I think I nicked his gill. He's okay. This one just hit. There he is, he's back. I got him. He feels better, I think. Yeah, he's back. That's a better fish. Oh yeah, hiding out by those docks. Apparently not worried in the slightest about these guys banging away, fixing the dock over here. It goes to show you. Yeah, not bothered by that stuff at all. Okay. There we go. Nice and cleanly hooked. That's what we like to see. Just right on the edge of the lip right there. Another little one, but we'll take it. Hey, I'm enjoying this. It's been a long time. There's one. What is that? It doesn't look like a pike. Is it a pike? Oh yeah, it's a pike. Oh, he just choked that thing right down. Use it, there you go. Oh, okay. We're gonna need the pliers on you, buddy. Yeah. There we go. The hooks are coming out pretty good today. Still no giants yet, but I'll take it. There's one right off the side. This is where I started this morning, and had a couple of follows, so I thought I'd come back and give it a shot with the swim bait. And bingo! That is not the fish that followed me up this morning, though. It's like these things are like coming out of a mold here. Everything I'm catching is about this size in the last little while here. That's 7 pike though, I think, today. Everything I'm catching, like cookie cutter pike. He choked it too. There, got him. Oh, perfect. Another little dinker. But it's a fish. Okay, back in Pickering. I took the run across the lake. It got a little bumpy out there. The wind picked up, so I thought it might be a safe move to move back. Anyway, that's it. Short and sweet little episode today, but man, did it feel good to get out after the lockdown. This is the first day of the year, and out in the boat today. it's hard to believe. It felt really good running across the lake there. Blew the cobwebs off the motor, and got some pike. I think I landed about 7 pike, nothing huge, but felt really good. So anyway, if you enjoyed what you saw today, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you get notified when new videos go live. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one.